Hello?
Hello,
Hello?
Mr. Jerry. This is Tony. Sir, how are you doing today?
Oh, very good. How are you doing?
I'm doing just not bad. Just fine.
You best be.
Uh, Sir, basically I have an old record and I spoke with you a long time ago about the house cleaning service. Right now I'm offering a discounted price with some extra services totally free of cost for you. If you don't mind, can I let you know the discounted price? It will just take a few seconds. If you like the price, then you will take it. Otherwise, you will leave it.
Oh, I'm not gay, dude. Sorry.
Uh, no, sir. I'm not saying anything bad. This is the price of air duct cleaning service.
Dick cleaning service?
Yes,
Oh my god.
air duct cleaning service.
Yeah, like you scrape when you get a poopy dink, you just kind of scrape it off a little bit.
No, sir.
Oh,
Sir, please wait a second. My senior want to talk with you.
okay.
Hi, good evening, Mr.
Oh, how are you doing?
Okay, let me tell you the discounted price. Okay, are you in the same address in Inwood Drive in Inwood?
Yeah.
Okay, and how big is your house in terms of square feet?
Are you gonna wear a dirty diaper?
No, we want to clean the duct system.
Oh. Oh, my mistake.
Yeah, do you want to get it done?
Well, if you wear a dirty diaper while you're doing it, sure.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
You know, maybe do a little scrape your arsecle on the carpet, like a dog. You know, a dog scrape his arsecle on the carpet. You do same, because you stink. You smell like poop. You brush your teeth, you wipe your bum, and you no stink, but you can't help that.
Are you interested in air duct cleaning service or not?
Well, if you guys would come over and clean my ducts in a dirty diaper, I might partake. How many channels does this come with?
What?
Does it come with HBO and Cinemax and all that? You get Netflix on it or what?
This is called fine.
I want to shove my hand down your dirty diaper. Is that okay?
We don't clean the diapers. You know, we only clean the duct system, the air duct system. You know.
Oh yeah, but
What I mean.
I'm just getting frisky.
But why?
Well, because I'm very fond of your fragrance.
Oh, I'm sorry, but you know, I was offering you the duct cleaning service. You guys working in Windsor, and you're living in Windsor, right? 1424 Oleano Chase Street West,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
All right. And what's your name? Is it Matt or Jerry?
Jerry.
Jerry. So Jerry, you're living in Inwood Road.
Mr. Jerry.
Oh, I'm sorry, Mr. Jerry. My
Yes.
respect to Sir Jerry. Right?
Oh, my sincere condolences and formal curtsey on your behalf. He didn't want to accept my formal curtsey on his behalf, you guys. Darn it.